Show special. Look at this. $14,995. Okay? And there's two of them to choose from. The 154 RBX or the 164 BHX. This is the 164 BHX. So we'll give you the tall man perspective. This is an east to west bed. Not my favorite. This is going to be tough for me to lay down on. However, you got some extra space down there at the feet. So I don't know. It's going to be uncomfortable for me. I personally, being my height at 6'4", I need a north and south bed. That's just me. Okay. If you're not my height, you'll be good to go. Okay. Up top shelf, right? We're price point, so there's no doors. Okay. Over here you have your sofa. I believe that folds down to be a bed as well. If you're going to mount a TV, by the way, it's going to go right there. Okay, so it'll be sort of across from the bed and across from the sofa. It is a BH, so you do have some bunks. If you don't want to use them from bunks, convert it to storage, right? And there is storage underneath anyway.
Yes, there is.
Okay, small kitchen, right? Got a little 2-burner stove, a little sink, some cabinets beneath, some cabinets above, right? So, you know, just enough. Right? If this is, you know, for a full timer, you know, you're a change in lifestyle. You're going to go minimalistic. If it's for single, it's going to be perfect. Okay? For weekend warrior stuff, that's good too. Right? For Lisa and I, this wouldn't be good full time.
No.
But generally speaking, I don't think that's what this particular line's made for.
I don't think it's intended for a full time.
That's not its intended use. Okay? Toilet though, great spot. I'm going to fit in there. Here, let's try.
Okay.
We'll give Lisa the camera. So I got to back in. beep, 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 beep. Okay. Without my backpack on, this will be fine. Okay. I'm thrust a little bit further forward than I should be, but without the backpack, I would be fine. From the fluffy standpoint, I'm almost against the wall, but there's plenty of room this way because that's where the shower is. Okay, so we'll go tall, yes. Fluffy, you'd have to check it out. The shower, however, is going to be a problem. There's no skylight up there. As you see, it's pretty raised. There's no skylight. That's a fan. So my head's going to be up in the fan.
Yeah.
So that would be a deal breaker for me. At my height, I just don't want my head in a fan. I don't know. It's just me.
You want your head there coming out.
I know. I know. I'm used to ducking there. All right.